Praise the Lord, mighty prophet of the Lord.
Amen, Pastor Faustin. The Lord has spoken with me. Well, the Lord Jehovah El Olam, the everlasting God, God the Father, the creator of Israel, the creator of all the universe, the one that has just visited Nakuru in a very, very tremendous and very never seen since the creation of the earth. The one that visited in such a historic way in Nakuru just this past week. He has spoken with me. He took me to Congo, Kinshasa, Congo. And he showed me a lot of false prophets there. And then he showed me a lot of immorality, extreme immorality. Very serious immorality by a lot of women and men. This is the worst form of immorality I have seen ever going on in Congo. And the false prophets there were, doing their game. And the Lord said he would bring judgment on them. And then after that I see a river. He shows me a river. It's a river, and I see quite a large river. It looks like a wide river. Then I see a huge flooding that comes and really floods everything down there as the judgment of the Lord takes course on the land. So the Lord Jehovah Elohim, Jehovah El Olam, Jehovah El Gibor, the mighty God, my one and only friend, my sender, the God that conquered the adversary, Jehovah Hoseinu, the Lord our Maker, Jehovah Sabaoth, the Lord of hosts, is going to judge false prophets. He has now sent me to bring destruction to false prophets. And I've seen, he has set me up with false prophets of this continent. And I see some false prophets in Congo, Kinshasa, because I see Kinshasa. And they are practicing a lot of immorality in the church. And they are involved with a lot of funny witchcraft, immorality, and nonsense of lies. And so the Lord is going to bring a major slaughter on the false prophets globally, and especially now focused on Kinshasa. He's going to bring a lot of destruction to the false prophets down there. And this is a very interesting time we've entered into, when now he has set his mighty prophet against these false prophets to bring them down at this hour. These events, they truly and surely mark the coming of the Messiah. And those that have sound hearing, those that are awake, whose minds are rekindled onto the heartbeat of the countdown for the coming of the Messiah, may they prepare in absolute holiness, prepare the way. The Messiah is coming. Shalom.